Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. We've got a screen recording for you here of me doing some planning in my bullet journal. I use my bullet journal for list taking and just for marking down general, very basic, items that I need to get done. It has some decoration, but that's not like the important part of this. So it's using the same kit that I used in this weekly spread. If you guys are following my channel, you'll see that these are the exact same stickers I used in that weekly spread. So if you want to check out anything that I mention, it'll definitely be linked down in the description. To start off this plan with me, I decided to do this vertical weekly layout, and then the weekends are actually going to be horizontal. You'll see here in just a second. But I'm starting out by laying down some washi that's going to wind up being my date headers. I went ahead and freehand cropped the washi here because I wanted to add like a squiggly outside corner so that way it looked like it was ripped. All you had to do is just freehand it and then, draw away from it when you're doing the sides, and then when you're doing like the left and right hand side, you just make a little squiggly right next to the edge there, and it'll give it like a ripped paper sort of look, and I think that makes it look like really cool ripped pieces of washi. I then used my Monday through Sunday lettering that I offer for free on my Facebook, so if you guys are following my Facebook page, it'll be linked down in the description. I have quite a few different little freebies that I offer there, and I went ahead and placed those down as my dates. I didn't like that you couldn't see the words very well because they were black, so I tried to highlight it and decided that that wasn't going to work. So what I did was made the marker as big as it possibly could, and then just loosely wrote over top of Monday, Tuesday, all of the days, so that way I could allow a white background behind it that kind of looked bubbly and matched the lettering. What I'm having to do though is to move the words out from underneath, cut them and paste them so they are back on top, because GoodNotes does layering by the last thing that was placed down. So in this case, since I'm placing down this pen white writing, it's on top of the letters, so I have to recut the letters that I have for the weekdays and paste them on top of the white. It was a little bit of a tedious job, but I actually didn't mind it at all. It was quite relaxing, and it wound up looking really good and made the letters pop. Over on my sidebar there, I already laid out just a normal full box to just remember the sizing of what I needed over there. And then after that, I'm marking down my meals. I'm also going to throw down a to-do list and fill in the bottom section with a cropped down full box as well. Next, I wanted to do a mood tracker down at the bottom left section there. I didn't like how the script for my moods this week didn't match like the handwriting script I had going on throughout the rest of the spread, so I just cropped it out and then rewrote it myself. Since I knew there was going to be a lot of extra blank space, I went ahead and cropped out some of the deco from this kit and used it to kind of anchor the words "my moods" that I freehand wrote for the title of this little mood tracker. This skipped out on some footage. I'm not exactly sure what happened, but my screen recording is gone. So I'm really sorry about that, but I laid down this notes paper that kind of looks like it's not part of the planner, like I just taped it on there really quick. And then to make it create the illusion of something like hiding behind it, I did a my thoughts box or thankful thoughts box and made it look like it was behind that little notes piece of paper. I then labeled all of the days by putting down a white dot and then writing the number of the day over top of it. And now I'm basically just filling out my spread. I fill out Monday for you guys, but then that's going to be it. I didn't fill out the whole entire thing on video because it gets kind of boring. It's just me writing things over and over again. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Here's what the end result turned out to be. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down below and I'll try to answer them. I have some tutorials and other plan with me's on my channel, so if you aren't already subscribed, be sure to do so, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!